break this hot tub down. One thing to note is this is not actually wood paneling, which you might think it would be. It's actually just a really thick foam.
Daddy, when we hope we with the camera, I tried to get picture of you.
Oh yeah, you can get some video of me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And picture of you too. I tried to, but it's not working.
Here, I'll put it on for you. First things first, we gotta figure out what tool we're gonna use to rip this up. If that works, it might just take a while. How about an axe? It might take a while this way. All right. Good.
Mommy is broken now. Can I take that big white top off? Can I take that big white top off?
That's exactly what we're gonna take off.
Yeah, but it looks very hard.
Shut this off at the disconnect for the hot tub. Dealing with fiberglass, you should make sure you got a cover on your mouth, something to protect you from inhaling any of those particles, any of the fiberglass, and also just to protect your skin. I'm already feeling a little bit of the itchiness from the fiberglass. We're on our second trash can here, but overall we're looking at about a 2-hour project to get this all broken up to a point where we can get this into a trash, probably over 2 loads over the next 2 weeks. We're done, we're finished, and I hope you guys enjoyed that.